shame on Morgan for calling them overweight. Like, what? Come on, it's 2025. Why are we doing that fat shaming stuff?
Morgan Stanley has assigned this company with an overweight rating.
Overweight.
Their top Wall Street rating and price target of $435 US, the absolute highest amongst Wall Street firms. This company's current success is attributed to its integration of OpenAI's GPT-4 to power many AI-based features. Features like roleplay, explain my answer, and video call, in which users have a video chat with a virtual AI character. With these new features, this company has experienced a very positive surge in its financial performance. The company forecasts its 2025 revenue to be between $962 million and almost $980 million US, surpassing all investor and analyst expectations. What company do you think this is?
That's so much money. And also shame on Morgan for calling them overweight. Like, what? Come on, it's 2025. Why are we doing that fat shaming stuff? What company?
Yeah. Take a wild guess. One each.
A consultant company?
Okay. What about you, Matt?
Like the food industry, because it's something about overweight.
You're just hungry, man.
I am hungry.
All right. It's Duolingo.
Oh, crap. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's warranted. Warranted, because I think that's really cool. Because like the video call thing that you said, right? Great. Because I don't use Duolingo, but I have a friend that uses Duolingo, and they have like the calling
Duolingo Max?
The calling game or something like that, where
Duolingo Max.
It's called Duolingo Max. Yeah, where you can like have a phone conversation with like AI, right?
Or not just a phone. They design it to be like a FaceTime.
Yeah. Oh, that's yeah. That's I just think that's such a great use case in these days, because like I would say that to learn language, right? Like language wise, one of the first use cases would be to be able to have a phone call with someone, right? So like that use case right there just hits language learning apps right on there, you know, right on the head. But that's really cool. What about you? What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, I personally use Duolingo every day because of the streak. Like, I think I like how they gamify like the app.
Yeah.
Because like, you know, they'll be like, if you don't take a lesson or course, whatever, they will send like a notification, be like, you're missing your course, you know, or they would like emotionally blackmail you, be like, you really want to end your streak, like, you know. And then the owl, because it's an owl, right, for Duolingo, they changed their like icon to like a droopy face, like a really like a really funny face, because you're missing your lesson.
Sorry, the icon in your phone.
Yeah.
They can change the icon now.
So like I think like I've used it before, and then I have like one of those like mini like I guess widget. For sure. And then it actually like, because I always break my streaks, so sometimes it's just like frozen, or sometimes there's just like a skeleton. Yeah. It's emotionally abusive.
Yeah.
But
so cool
for your language learning.
Shaming me and guilt tripping me into learning like Japanese or something. That's
and
really
then cool. And then they have like this new function where if your friend is also on Duolingo, you can do like a friend streak. So you know, remember Facebook? They had the poke thing. Yeah. It's like a poke streak, right? Or like with Snapchat,
like a snap
the
streak.
Snap streak, and then you can have like a streak with your friends.
Oh, like a learning back and forth kind of thing.
So like I have one with my friend, and like they're in Vancouver right now. But then like every time if I like miss a lesson, like the app would be like, oh, your friend is missing you or something like that.
That's crazy to me.
Yeah.
They're literally using like, they're kind of guilt tripping you.
Yeah.
You know what? Duolingo can do this because it's healthy. It's an healthy
It's
app.
educational.
You know, like they can guilt trip you and you feel good about it because they're helping you improve in something. But what if this was a gaming app? You know, like that would be kind of crazy. That would actually, or like social media.
It's like your pet is dying in the or your cow is dying in the farm or something.
Right. Like like if you're playing like a Farmville game, like bro, your cow's becoming a cannibal, bro. Feed your cows. Like,
I mean,
how gross and dark would that be?
It's not new. Remember Tamagotchi?
Oh, that's true.
Fucking
Yeah, and Digimon, you had to like
Or
shake
Neopets.
it. Or Neopets, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow,
Tamagotchis. No, you're right. When
right?
that like, I think the first time I experienced heartbreak was when like that Tamagotchi guy turned into a skeleton, like my pet. I was like, bro, I'm sorry. I had to do my math homework. Oh, you're right. Tamagotchi did that too. Yeah.
Breaking kids' heart early.
But I think it's great. I think Duolingo is ahead of its time. There's no other language app that makes people want to learn as much.
Do you use it?
I don't. I do not use it whatsoever. But I
hear
should.
A lot of people like actually using ChatGPT directly to learn a language now, right?
Yeah.
Like they're just talking with ChatGPT.
Like I tried it as well, but then I feel like it's kind of hard to be consistent with ChatGPT.
Yeah, because there's no owl like emotionally blackmailing you to go back to learn, right?
Yes.
And there's no visual cues. Duolingo has visual cues.
Yeah.
You know, that's
Yeah.
great.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then they have they're very organized, right, with their lesson plans. Like you can ask ChatGPT to do that as well, but I don't know. I just felt like it was a lot harder to learn with ChatGPT.
For sure.
Do you pay for Duolingo?
I used to not, but then there's this one time where I lost my streak and I didn't have like the freeze thing. So I was like, I need to keep my streak, so I paid for it.
I think Duolingo is
Wait.
so scummy.
They are so you can pay to
save your streak.
save your streak.
To save your streak.
Oh.
And then I was
They
thinking
are
about it
gross.
because the plan was like if you pay for the annual plan, right? It's actually a lot cheaper and it's like around $50 ish, right? For a year. It's like worth it.
It is worth it.
Right.
It
You're
is. It
investing in
is
yourself.
worth it. You are.
And the ads really suck. So like paying
Yeah.
gets rid of
Yeah,
ads.
exactly.
What's wrong with the ads?
No, they take a lot of time.
Yeah, like you do one lesson, like maybe lesson 5 minutes, and then you get like a 30-second ad.
So not only do they make a heck ton of money from ads, they're like extorting people to keep their streak going.
So yeah, so like two income streams.
Yeah. And then I
business.
remember reading an article that they earn more from paid subscription than ads,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, that's how-
Probably.
that's
More
how you-
people. Yeah.
They are overweight, all right. They are clinically obese. This company.
Like you know how a lot of games people
Morgan
aren't,
is right.
like people aren't willing to pay for the games,
Yeah,
right? They're
yeah.
like, I can watch the ads.
That's me all the time.
Yeah, but for like Duolingo, I'm like, no, you're wasting my time. Like, just
Yeah.
go on.
I think if I actually paid for it, I would actually learn a language. 'Cause, like,
Yeah.
I just get up. I just end up getting fed of like these ads. I have 4
Totally.
languages that I've never completed on Duolingo.
No, like totally, man. So I was thinking about this right now when you guys are talking about ads. If you add up all the time I've wasted on watching ads because I didn't want to pay for I would be a genius. I would know 5 languages. You know what I mean? Like all those games I used to play.
Yeah.
I would literally be like the next like Rosetta Stone. You know?
Okay.
Crazy, man. These ads, they really get you. I should just pay for stuff. I should just pay for stuff.
Yeah, maybe we'll buy you one for Christmas.
Don't. Get me something better. Get me something fun.
Or email.
Yeah, give me email. Don't get me the Duolingo subscription. What, do you not love me?
The frame's out of your budget.
Yeah. The frame is I couldn't even fit it in my house right now.
Maybe after 10 years of friendship, your budget could go up there. Maybe.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I have to flex. My streak is like 565 on Duolingo.
And how many times did you pay your way out of it?
Once.
Okay, that's pretty good.
What was your streak count when you paid for it?
400 something.
Damn, you're good
That's
at
worth
this.
it. That's
Yeah,
worth
it was
That's
worth it. It was worth it.
I would pay for it too.
I panicked. I was like, and then it was like, do you want to pay? Like initially, it didn't tell me that I can pay for it, and then it broke. Right? It was like, oh, your streak ended, and I was panicking because
Yeah.
like it was 400 something, and then they're like, do you want to pay for it?
I hate this company.
Perfect timing.
They're the
Save your streak with how much?
I bet like the UI team decided like, okay, so we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna give them 5 seconds of worry and then shoot it up there.
By the way,
You can pay for it.
You can save it
save your owl.
with only $50 a year.
They might be
And
the
I'm like, of course, yes, save it.
they're like the Facebook of learning. Like so evil, but you just
In a good
have to
way.
use it. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like frying broccoli.
It's like tough love.
Yeah. It's just crazy, right? Like you just
Love. You were just saying.
No, it's like teaching you a language though, right? It's helping you. It's helping you become like a better person in a sense.
yeah. It
More
is.
knowledgeable.
Wait, so like how long do you have to use it to count as a 1 day streak?
So they have lessons for you, right?
Yeah.
So if you complete one lesson or like one game, like one language game, then it counts as one.
Okay.
Yeah.
They also this episode isn't on Duolingo. But
Sponsored by.
they had this thing. So my roommate used to use Duolingo, and they have good sound effects too.
Yeah.
They have this like whooping. Do you know what I'm talking
Yeah,
about?
yeah.
That sound effect every time they do it, whooping. I'm like, oh, Duolingo. You know that it's in my mind now.
Yeah, I can't hear that.
Yeah.
It's playing in my head right
You know that one, right?
Yeah.
The whooping. Am I doing it right?
Yeah.
now. It goes with doo-doo-doo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're crazy.
Yeah.
Lovely.
It's great.
Whooping.